this will be my first video doing second video now after the Kool-Aid one of testing things when Dad's not around. He's downstairs right now. But I never had an Izzy before and I never heard of it. My friend gave me one, so I'm gonna try it. This is sparkling blackberry, as you could see right there. You could read that, but here's what's on the back. I can't quite read that because of the glimmer, but either way, it's fine. This is my first taste of Izzy, which is a drink that I never heard of until I looked it up on my laptop, which is strange, but it's popular. I don't know what it is because I looked up what is an Izzy, and it just showed pictures of things. Just look it up yourself on YouTube. It's strange. But this will be my first taste try after a minute and 30 seconds, about 40 now. Well, this is my first taste test. Not the best to me, but if you're a sparkling blackberry fan, sorry to let you know, but my taste buds disagree with this thing, this kind of Izzy. But is that all I have to say? Well, another thing is, I have bad memory. We do have a YouTube channel. It's Two Ladies Midwest Adventures, probably on there right now. You are probably watching this right now, which is probably on our channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're not reaching that goal of this year, and it's almost over. Can you please reach that goal for us? Pretty please? We just make shorts for your entertainment while we try to find something. So yeah, it's getting really hard to look for jokes. Almost ran out of them. Dad doesn't want us saying any veggie jokes though, so that minuses down it a bit. But we're trying our best, so just be patient, maybe a couple more days, but we'll get some out there. But I do want you to stay blessed, make the world a better place, one person and one moment at a time. And like and subscribe, because that's my usual 2 cents after I say a joke. But like and subscribe, please. And have a great day. Bye!